Welcome to Learn Glass Code Now, a series of short tutorials that help you get the most out of Plus Glass Code software. In this tutorial, we will see that the reports and outputs that are generated in Plus Glass Code. We are on the project page. First, look at the outputs that are generated specific to project. Edit a project. On output page, we have a series of reports related to quotation. Here we will get the general quotation or party quotation, rate quote, and detail quote. Reports related to bill of material, in which you will get the detailed and consolidated bill of material. For processes which are not done in-house, classes are sent outside as job work, assign classes to contractors, and generate a contract note for job work. The job sheet, we can print this and give it to your worker while processing. Delivery challan can be printed after selecting appropriate challan. And last is the tax invoice. If you want additional information in quotation and tax invoice, you can add it into project string 1, 2 and 3. It will automatically add it into quotation reports and tax invoice. For example, use Shugam number for Karnataka users. Next, we will see non-project related reports. Go back to dashboard. Go to reports module. The sales, receivable, master details reports are available, in which periodic sale for all customers, periodic sales customer wise, collection report, outstanding report, and reports containing the details of material, process, and charge size masters. Now we will see each report in detail. First, we will see project related reports. In this, we have the general code or party quotation. This company header, customer details, PI number will be displayed in all reports. You will also get Shugam number that we have entered on project page in project string 1. We also have order items with their cost, fitting items, and glass items. The terms of condition completes the quotation. Similarly, quotation with charge length and charge width. Here you will get the charge length and charge width for each glass pieces. Next, we have the rate quote. In this, you will get process rates, fitting rates, and rates for glass items. Next, we look at the detail quotation. Here, apart from glass items, it specifies the process that have been undertaken with that glass items, with their cost, the add-on cost, similarly detail quotation with charge length and charge width. Here we will get the charge length and charge width for each glass item. Next, we have bill of material related reports, in which bill of material in consolidated form. Here we'll get the list of items to be delivered to customer. The job sheet report. Here we'll get the order process to be undertaken for this particular glass item. The job summary reports gives a short summary about the job, in which you'll get glass fitting items and processes having quantities and cost. We also have job work note. This is for contractor 1. You'll get the processes for the glass items. Next one is delivery challan. You'll get customer delivery address, delivery challan number, delivery challan date, vehicle number, and list of items delivered for the particular delivery challan. Last is the tax invoice. In this you will get invoice number, VAT TIN, CST TIN, and extra information like e-Shugam number that we have added into project string 1 on output page. You'll also get glass pieces with material cost, process cost, and total cost. Fitting items with their cost, the add-on cost, and terms and conditions completes the tax invoice. Now we will see non-project related reports. First, the overall periodic sales report. In this you will get each invoice number and their amount. Similarly, we will also get customer wise periodic sales report. With invoice number and amount. In outstanding report, collection report, you will get all receipts with description and amount. The outstanding report. In this, for a customer, you will get all invoices with invoice amount and pending amount. All unadjusted receipts will be considered and net pending will be shown. Next we will see master detail reports. Material report, in which list of material including lineal items like aluminum channels, glass railings, fitting items like locks with rates, glass items with rates and discount bands. In process report, process items with categories and list of processes with rates and bands. In charge size report, here you will get the charge sizes for customer as well as general charge size. What is the charge size to be calculated for glasses from length to length? This brings up the end of the tutorial. In this tutorial we have seen what are the different types of reports generated in Plus class code.